Assalamu alaikum viewers. In this tutorial I will tell you how you can download, install and use means how you can register the Goin app for the Audion University. You can make the friends before going to Audion University. So here are a lot of options. You have to select the intake. After selecting the intake, you have to follow three steps: register, download and login, connect. So just you have to click on continue to register. After clicking on here you will see the two options. For the Apple you can click on for iPhone you can click on continue with Apple. If you are Android user you can click on the Play Store. So I am Android user, I am clicking on the Play Store. If you are a iPhone user you can click on Apple. So here you can see that go in connecting app is available, and the rating of this app is also very good. For I think 4.6 is available here, and the size is also too small. So just you have to click on it. After clicking on it automatically it will be installed. So after installing you have to click on open. After clicking on open, here the continue to login. You can log in with the Facebook, Gmail, or the login with Microsoft. So I am just clicking on the email. After clicking on by one click you can log in. So you have to finish these two areas. Finish up, you can select the university. Means you have to select the program. Because I am from Pakistan, I have completed my BSIT. After that I am going to master in cyber security. So I will selecting here. You have to select according to yourself, not myself, not according to me, because each and every person has own scenario. So in my scenario I am going for the master in cyber security. So here are the different options. You have to write some things, and you have to write the city. I am from the Pakistan and from the Hafsabad city. So I am just searching out. You can search out from you cannot finish it. If you click here you have to fill the these options. You have to write the date of birth, and the you also have to write these things. You can later on change it. It totally depends on about. You can change the I just read I just wrote the temporarily. You can change it later on. I can you can see that later on. I will check you how I change the hobbies and each and everything. You can change it. I just give the temporary data because I want to change rather later on. So here you can see that the university support you further. I want to support more students to connect. You have to check all the options. It is according to you, and you can also select according to yourself. It totally depends on you. But I will select the more student to connect events the semester, welcome webinar, and help with enrollment, help with the accommodation. These are the best for me. But if you want to select another one, you can no additional support you can select, or others you can also select. It totally depends on you, because it is everyone has a own choice. So I cannot recommend you anyone. So just you have to click on finish. After that you will see the interface of this app, and you can connect with the friends. So here are a lot of options are available. You can select same nationality. If you want to select the same nationality, because I am from the Pakistan, here you can see that all the students are from the Pakistan. So you can match with them, you can contact with them. Same study. You can also select this one, male female. This filter is you can select according to your gender diverse and current student. Each and everything is not available, so I am just unchecking these options are available. You just have to filter it. A lot of options will be automatically available for you. Here you can see after unfiltering it, I will see the lot of options here are available. So according to you, you can select the filters. After that I have used it, and I just make a few friends, and I also joined the few groups. You can I have joined the four groups, three connections. So I also changed my interest and caring, managing and swimming, badminton. You can also tech, and you can also write the cricket, and according to you, you can edit your profile. I have told you, you can change your profile. You can also about me, you can change it, and my favorite activities include, you can change it like a me. I just give the temporary data before this, then I have changed it, so you can change it according to yourself, so you can connect with them. If you find the video is helpful, you have to like this video, and you can also subscribe this channel for more information, for more info. Thanks for watching, take care.